thing that I always recommend, okay, is that you always save your cardboard boxes. If you have a delivery and you have beautiful looking cardboard boxes and they look good, they're in shape, always save it or a piece of it because they come in so handy. What I'm doing right now is I have this an old, it's a used drawer that I'm going to put in my basement to put some of my crafts in, and I'm always moving things around. And even if you're not going to always be moving things around, when you do have to move it around, it's good to be able to just move it easily. So what I want to do is I'm in the process of putting down a piece of cardboard. So I'm using, see what it looks like here so far. I'm using hot glue to put it down, because the one thing with hot glue is that you can always take it off when it's time. It's easily removable, and you don't really have any problems after. It'll come off any kind of like plastic, any wood, without lifting the wood. So this is what I'm doing right now. See, so far I've got it pasted down here. Okay, I'm going to complete it. Okay, so I've adhered the cardboard to the bottom of this little drawer, and this is the bottom, and I'm going to flip it, but I can't flip it with the camera in my hand, so just 1 second. Okay, so it's flipped and it's on my basement floor now. So easy it is to roll, just like that. Instead of having to scrape noises, it's so easy to roll. So I'm just going to fit it back where it goes. So try that. Try using cardboard. If you don't mind, if you have something old, or you could, it's a flat bottom like this one, just try putting cardboard underneath it and cut it, you know, and you can't even see it. Cut to fit, okay? Okay, so after finishing, there is the little drawer. It's a drawer of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers. My daughter thought she was slick. She gave it to me, thought she was downsizing, she was moving, and she had no idea the treasure she was giving away. Well, anyway, what did they say? One man's garbage is another man's treasure. So, look at this. Bam! My jewelry. My beads and all that stuff I have in here. Okay, so it's great. Worked out perfect for me, so. Thanks, Quiche.